especially women. I love women. And no, I do. He's the one I've taken tips from. He's the godfather of, health and body.
People are asking for more Shah Rukh shirtless, like.
Darling, recently I'm getting offers for pantless. So the next one. Shit scared. Why would he be scared? He called me day before yesterday and he told me.
I was about to say, he called me 41 times here last night.
No, he called me and he's the one I've taken tips from. He's the godfather of, health and body building as far as Indian actors are concerned. So he actually explained to me how to do it in many times. And even now recently he called me and he says, looking good, you need to bulk up a little, you're going too thin. And so did Ritik. They don't have to be scared, we are not scared. We are not wimps. We just do our bit and we're happy doing it. Everyone keeps writing about it.
People are asking for more Shah Rukh shirtless, like.
No, darling. Recently I'm getting offers for pantless. So the next one. No, I'll most certainly come. I remember when I was, that's the only sport, unfortunately, Sunfeast and Sanya. And fortunately, because if you see me play it, you'll be glad I don't play it. But that's one sport I could never get the hang of. It looks so easy. These guys make it look so easy. I was watching Sania's one older match, Dubai Open, last night, I think it was coming on television. There was a replay, I think. And they make it look so easy. You just go, yeah, pa, pa. It's so easy. That damn thing you can't hold in like one hand. Even with two hands you fall short. The ball goes all over the place. My school, St. Columbus, used to have a swimming pool behind the tennis courts. I have hit 100 tennis balls into the swimming pool in one day. I was thrown out by my coach. He said, that's one thing you should never do. He's an Irish gentleman. But I love watching tennis. I think one of the nicest things that's happened in tennis is that it's amazingly glamorous also. It's very attractive. Men, women, the way people are eating strawberries and cream and stuff. It's really cool. And I think that also is an attractive part of sports, that you have healthy young people making the most of their lives and presenting it to us through television and people like Charu in a very attractive way. But I'd love to come and see tennis. I won't play, but I'd love to come and see tennis. You can't do everything. Lagan was planned earlier with Ashutosh, myself and all, and I couldn't do it for a lot of reasons. और देखने के बाद मुझे ऐसा भी लगा जो conscientiousness से वो फिल्म बनाई गई थी. I don't think I would have been able to follow it through. Only Amir could have, and Ashutosh. They are very intelligent. So I'm happy they made the film. I was just so thrilled finally that film got made. I was very, very desirous that that film should be made when Ashutosh had planned it. With me, without me. It's the most beautiful cinema. So no regrets. I've been chucked it. It is not a film. That's part of the film publicity. It's not personal pictures. And I hope what I'm playing in the film is liked just for that. The next film I'm trying to go to Bicharu's like. It's a tall character.
Putting pressure on me. No, because Joaquin Carvalho is now saying, yeah, Mary Nokri that's the Indian men's team coach. But fabulous effort, a quick memory there, making of the film. Now suddenly being a messiah, it's also Indian sport, which is a new space for you. I think.
No, I never thought it would be like this. I've been a sports lover. I've been a sort of a sports person, not as great as Sania is, but in my youthful days, I was knocked around a bit with different kind of balls, and I've enjoyed it. But of course, with due respect to Mr. Joaquin Carvalho and the whole team, I think the idea was that youngsters, and especially women, I love women, and no, I do.
Well, join the gang, isn't it?
And because if there are some feminists with an immense amount of respect, I love them. And I've always wanted to do something in sports because I always felt, even when Lagan was made, I remember with Ashutosh and Ahmed, long time back, many years ago. It's always been to make a genre of films, as an actor, a genre of films about sports, as a person, something to do with sports. And hockey was a sport that I was good at. I used to play when I was young. My father was a hockey player. And then the other day, I've said this before also, but I'll repeat, I told my son that I'm going to start teaching him how to play hockey, and he asked me, how do you play that, Papa? I said, you take a stick and a white ball. That's how it's played. So I found him playing snooker, pool in the house once, and I'm playing hockey. So I was quite disheartened by that, because I think hockey is an amazing sport. And I got this chance, and luckily in a role where physically it was a little tough, but not too difficult for me to handle now, because once I landed on the AstroTurf, I realized it's a difficult thing for me to keep up to now. And as a matter of fact, it encouraged me after I finished the film to get into a regimen which is more physically fit and run around and play sports regularly on Sundays.
Are you kidding? I mean, physical regimen, you see a new, improved Shah Rukh. He's about half his size in many other ways and twice the size in many other ways. I'd love to see you there. Sania, you of course also know the value of you know, being in top physical shape because you've never been in better shape. You're in very, very good shape, so congratulations. Just a quick word on that, the hard work that's taken you to get back on top.
Well, I think as a sports person, it's very hard to be totally fit, and I think you know that with all your years of experience. But yeah, it's just a little injury, and hopefully it should be okay by next week. But it's been a hard time after the surgery, being out 3 months, and you feel you're sitting on the wheelchair, and you when you're playing, you don't know how lucky you are to be healthy, and then when you are in that wheelchair, that's how much you cherish being healthy. So today I think I respect being healthy a lot more than I did 6 months ago. And yeah, I'm here today and I'm feeling good, and I think I feel fitter than when I stopped. So I think that's a good thing.
Well, what a shame that Shah Rukh didn't play tennis with John, because you'll have Indian tennis soon, maybe, who knows. They're not that, desperately required, because Sania, of course, came in as the savior. But Sania, maybe another quick word for everybody here, and all of us are keen and happy to listen, to the impact that the Sunfeast Open has had as a WTA Tier 3 event in India, because, there wasn't very much earlier, and this it was a huge development, and how much did it mean to people such as you, looking for space in international tennis, looking for the improve, looking for the opportunity?
Well, of course, I think it started a couple of years ago, and it's picked up a lot. Last year, I remember when I played against Martina, there was like 10,000 people or something. I mean, it was packed. So it's people believe that they can be tennis players, and they believe that they don't have to be cricketers to be successful in India. And I think parents believe that their daughters can be tennis players, and I think it's really a great ground for all the players coming up now. And of course, I have to say about the movie, I mean, as a sports person, as a woman athlete coming from India, I know hockey is very different to tennis, but I think we were there a few years ago. Of course, it's a lot bigger now as tennis on the whole for women's tennis, but I think it's a great inspiration for a lot of women, and a great inspiration for women in all kinds of things, not just sport. And I think people believe, and women believe, that they're no less than any men.
When these guys go on the field or on the courts and give their best shot, all of them are trying to win. And so sometimes if it goes wrong, there are a lot of other aspects involved with sports, like Sania has had this injury. I do remember people talking about, oh, is she as good as she was last year and stuff. They are fantastic, and they'll only get better. But we need to encourage and accept the fact that sports will, sometimes you'll win at it and sometimes you'll lose at it. So we need to have an immense amount of respect for that. And as long as Sania is winning, which I think is the next 20 years, she continue winning. She'll not be in films. After that, if I still look as young, I'll ask her opposite.
Of course you will. All right, he may